So, you know, why are we doing this? Are we managing it in a natural way if we're pruning it? But one of the things is that as we incorporate, you know, many times, especially when I grew up, people often view people and nature as separate. And so when we merge people and nature together, we have an ecosystem that people's actions are a natural part of that ecosystem, and also food security is a very important thing. Many times, if you cannot have a good supply of food, then you have people migrating, and it often causes conflicts and wars, such as in the Middle East, and a lot of conflicts, political conflicts that you may have seen. So in 2006, in this half of the orchard, the side that we're on, we have an avocado called a Pinkerton avocado. And in 2006, they harvested about 50,000 pounds of avocados from this, and that was because there were several years where the trees had gone without pruning. So they became very big and lush, and they produce a lot of fruit. But then the next year we only had 2,000 pounds. And in 2007, when I first started here, July 2007, then the crop was harvesting. These we generally harvest December, January, so the crops are insect pollinated, so that's why we depend so much on bees. And if you have more open setting, you get more light penetration, the temperature rises. Yeah.
I look good. Hey, we still live? They eat you anyway. Yeah.
And so you can see some trees are blooming a little bit later than other trees, and that also, yeah. Well, no, these will bloom. The flowers are starting to form, so maybe a couple of weeks. But that's why some fruit may mature before other fruit.
How do you fertilize them, Megan?
We have a local supply of animal manure.
Oh, okay.
And we spread that, and I also apply fish-based foliar.
Oh, okay.
Foliar nutrients. But because of the overfishing of the seas, we don't necessarily want to rely on fish-based products for our to be our entire fertilization.
I see. Good.
What a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star with
那个是没弄水给那个蜜蜂的，就是那个好像比较。
So yeah, it extends very far, so you can get up in the tree. And this is the cutting surface, and there's a spring that holds it open, and then you pull it, and the avocado rests in there, and the string will hold it in right there.
So you can actually hold about 4 or 5, depending on how strong you are?
Yeah, depends on the type of avocado.
Oh, okay.
So I can demonstrate.
Oh yeah, that's
like
good.
To see.
Yes.
Fairly high. Just place the avocado in the basket, turn the stem,
Oh, okay. Cool. Okay. All right. Good. Thank you. Go. Yeah. Oh, wait, hang on. Yeah, this is a video. Okay. Hey guys. All right. Oh, we break the line now. They're not really heavy, huh? About a few pounds. Yeah, it's
I watched them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The lassie sky